Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing a collaboration with Living with Cambriea. She is a mother as well, and she also does cleaning videos also. I will be teaming up with her, and we both will be doing a power hour. So here's her video here.
Hello friends, my name is Cambriea from the channel Living with Cambriea. I am a mommy YouTuber that focuses a ton on cleaning motivation. So if you enjoyed today's video, definitely come over and check out my channel, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.
You can check it out. I will have her name here in the description, and let's get to this cleaning video.
Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. I know. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. I know. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. I know. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. I know. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. I know. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. I know. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. I know. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. I know. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. I know. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. I know. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. I know. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. I know.
So I know some of you guys are still wondering why I have my Christmas decorations up. Normally I take my decorations down at the end of the month of January. So on that end of the month, I normally put my decorations up, my Valentine's decorations up by then. So yeah, that's why I still have my decorations up. And I'll probably end up doing a decorate with me for Valentine's Day video. So you guys just stay tuned to that as well.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stand 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. You meant the world to me. You meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares too. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. You meant the world to me. You meant the world to me. Oh, I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. We're searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like.
Alright, you guys, that is the end of this cleaning video. I was trying to let you guys know that I only have 4 minutes and 56 seconds left. Some kind of way my voice had got cut off. I do not know how, but I had enough time left over where I can do my extra bathroom. But I would have been able to do 2 other rooms, but I had to go and pick up my babies. So it was hot and I was tired. But that is the end of this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.